Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Abbott iSTAT CHEM8 cartridge. As you can see, this is the top and the front view of the cartridge. As you can see, there is the reference number, catalog number 09P3125, and you can see it is a 25 test pack. And also you can see here it has the manufacturing address and the import license and all. You can find the manufacturing date 24/10 and 16. You can see it is the iSTAT CHEM8 cartridge. As you can see, while testing this machine, you have to test it in room temperature, which can be placed for 14 days. If you're keeping in room temperature, it can be stored for only 14 days, but for storage, you have to keep between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. See these details. So while doing the test, you have to bring it to room temperature, and once it is in room temperature, it can be stored for 14 days. And for long time storage, you have to keep it for temperature should be kept between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. So that is the difference here. So let me show you the sides. So you can see the manufacturing address. It's made in Canada and C certified IVD product. And you can see here it has the expiry date. The CHEM8 iSTAT series has a very short expiry date. You can see it here. So guys, let us open this. So as you can see on the top, there is these iSTAT CHEM8 cartridges. iSTAT CHEM8 cartridges. You can see the expiry date, the temperature control details. As you can see, while doing the test, we have to bring it to room temperature between 18 and 13 degrees Celsius. But while storing it, you have to keep it in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Once it came to room temperature, the expiry becomes very short, only 14 days. Okay, and that's what it is written here. And you see, once it becomes to room temperature, it can be only stored for 14 days. So this is the front and the back side view of it. You can see it is made in Canada, but it's a US product. See, if it's stored in room temperature, it can be only stored for 14 days. This is the room temperature. So guys, to summon this up, this is the iSTAT CHEM8 cartridge from Abbott. You can see the catalog number here, 09P3125, and it's a 25 pack size. You can find the manufacturing date here, and you can see it here. It has 2 different storage temperatures, and also you can see the expiry date here. So this is the iSTAT CHEM8 cartridges. Thank you.